Hello, good morning. This video is going to be for seventh grade. So remember, we are going to have a video, and this class, this is very special class because it's gonna be a reading class. Okay, so don't forget to write date. Today it's July 23rd, 2020, and the topic for today is reading class. So today we're gonna have class for seventh grade. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so let's do it. Let's after this introduction, let's go. So remember, if you got any problem, what you need to do is to watch my channel and review all the subjects, all your pronunciation, and so on. Okay, good. Let's do it. So today we have our reading class. So let's go for reading class, and this is going to be Unit 7. I forgot this. So today it's Unit 7. And we are going to have 4 activities, okay? Activity number 1 is, remember, as I told you, if you are interested in learning English, there there are some things that are mandatory. There are some steps that are mandatory for you to do. For example, if you want to learn how to read in English, you need to know first vocabulary. So activity 1, new vocabulary. So you need to give a circle the words that you don't understand in the whole page. So for example, I don't understand what is John. So I circle John traveler. I don't understand what it means traveler. So I don't know what is that. Compared, I don't know what it means. So that's the idea. Activity 1, circle the words that you don't understand. All right? Very important. If you want to, you can write the words here like a list. It's good. It's excellent. Of course, I told you that if you need to do something very special with the vocabulary, because you have to divide your notebook in 2 parts. In the middle of your notebook, you're going to write the unknown words and you're going to make in the process how to learn them. I mean, when we stayed in the classroom, I said to you, you need to write 5 words in each page. Each, each page you have to write 5 words, and then you need to write 10 times or perhaps 15 times, just in order to repeat how it's the spelling. Spelling is completely complicated for especially for memorizing the visual memory. All right. So after that, I told you that if you are interested in learning, especially reading comprehension, uh, it's mandatory to have verbs. Verbs are very important because you can notice here, if you don't have verbs, it's impossible for you to read. I mean, it's complicated for you to read. So you need to know verbs. Verbs are principal in sentences in all languages. And even when you're talking, it's mandatory to have a verb. Verb is like the principal, all right, in a sentences. All right, so let's do it. So activity 1, circle the words that you don't understand. Activity 2, you're going to underline the verbs. You're going to underline the verbs. For example, ask is a verb, have is a verb, been is a verb, past participle answer, is have is a verb, have visited. So you're gonna underline the words, the verbs, circle words that you don't understand, and verbs you're gonna answer. Okay, activity 3. It's my idea is that you understand that it's necessary to listen, to listen, to listen, and then you can compare or make an association with the words. For example, you listen, ask. So my idea is that you listen and then you try to imitate me. So what I need is you listen, read, and speak. So in your house, you're gonna listen and you're gonna read and you're gonna speak. So you're gonna do 3 activities at the same time. And activity 4 is gonna be different because activity 4 is you have to do the comprehension. So now it's we go to the next page, 79, and then we are going and you're gonna answer the question, the comprehension. All right. So let's start here. Let's start reading. So remember, let's go to the point. So let me see if it is possible. So you see, there is coming. Something happened. Yeah. This. Well, this is another page. It was different. Yeah, it is. It is not. It is not this. Here. Notice this. 79. It's about the comprehension. So you need to. Activity 4. It's okay. Activity 5 because 4 is listen, read, and speak. So listen and repeat after me. Activity 4, 5. It's answer the exercises 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, nothing else. Just 4 exercises. So let's do it. Let's do it. So activity 1, activity 4. Let's listen. Activity yeah 1, 2, yeah 3. Activity 3. Let's answer the questions. Okay. So let's read this. This so and remember to let me introduce also the unit. The unit is about around the world. It means spectacular places that are around the world. And when you have time to go, I mean, you in your future life, you wanna go to some as nice and spectacular place in Colombia or outside Colombia. So this unit is about those spectacular or amazing and wonderful places that our our country has, the world has too. There are some spectacular places around the world, so you can visit. So that's what it talks. So that's why the value is openness and experience is teacher or all things. Experience is the teacher of all things. All right. I mean, if you travel, you meet people, you do something that you like it to do, so you're gonna do it. So activity 1 is read the statements and mark tick the ones that describe you. So it describes your personality. I like trying new food. So you like that? You like taste new food? Okay, you take here. I love traveling in new places. I love meeting new people. I like surprises. I never go out by myself. Yeah, so you're gonna take this. Remember, it's necessary to circle the words that you don't understand. So let's go here. So John, let me read very slow for you at the beginning, okay? John Traveler visits every country in the world. Ask people nowadays, have you ever been abroad? And the answer is often yes, I have. Many people have visited more than one foreign country, but James ask each as a special. Ask Jane, and you get an incredible answer because James, who is only 24, has visited 196 countries. He is the youngest person to have visited every country in the world. James started traveling in 2008 when he spent 3 months in Vietnam. Since then, he has visited countries from Australia to Zambia. He has met some wonderful people along the way, and he has had some amazing experience. He has walked along the Great Wall of China and seen Rome by a bike. He has crossed the Nile by boat and traveled through the desert in Jordan by camel. Oh my God, oh my God, hold on, yeah, here. Uh, the longest time James spent everywhere was 6 months in Africa. He traveled by car and bus from Senegal to Congo and then back up along the east coast of Africa by train. Lot, a lot of smaller countries have difficult borders controls, and James sometimes have to go through on foot. He needed to have all his travel visas in order. He was lucky, though, and never had a serious problem. James' hobby has not been cheap. He started working part-time on weekends when he was 16, and he also took part-time jobs in bars and hostels while he was on the road. During his 5 years of traveling, James had spent thousands of pounds to achieve his ambition. Now, I need is you listen again. You're gonna listen by yourself, and then you are going to repeat. You're going to listen and read louder. Okay, like imitate me, and then you can understand what is this meaning. Okay, and that is the idea. The idea is that you circle the words that you don't understand, underline the words, read, listen, read, and speak. Listen, read, and speak. An exercise for it's do the comprehension. Okay, so that's what I need you to do it in this video. So you notice this reading. Notice this. What this is spectacular because it's giving to you an idea how to understand when you are reading something. Summarizing. When reading an article, it's often useful to summarize the topics in a short phrase or patterns. To do this, identify the main information, who it's about, and what the person did. So when you get in the general idea, you can understand what are you reading. So that's what I need. You do it. So activity one, make a list of places you have visited outside of your town, working groups. Okay, so you can write here the list of the places that you have visited somewhere any time. Two, skim the article quickly and complete the summary. And the article is about James. The article is about James. He is. So it is true or is false. So you need to write here. The article is about James. Yes, it is. He is. So he is. How old is he? You got it at? How old is he? So I need is you go back to the reading and making the comprehension, and then you can go quickly. All right. And that's all for the class today. It's a reading class and it's working in the comprehension. Okay. So see you. I hope so you finish this and you show me, you take a picture in this. Bye bye. See you.